Here's a list of things you can insert in your mind map made with XMind. Today we'll look at how to include GIF files. Insert GIF files as floating topics or inside a topic or subtopic for any structure. Add a secret ingredient to your mind maps.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Just do it!
Adding GIF files into your mind map can help you make your information more effective in a variety of situations. When learning a new language, use animations to add more to the plain explanation, also as a guide and an effective reveal tool in your learning journey. So as you reveal each alphabet and its meaning, you get to see the correct order of writing this symbol. Also notice that when you insert a GIF, you can adjust its size and add border or shadow through the panel on the right. Add GIF in your mind map when you need a dash of fun in your presentation. Animated GIFs are guaranteed to grab everyone's attention, and it also creates an immersive atmosphere for your presentation. Add GIFs when you're making scientific notes. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Use GIF to help you understand lecture materials. After learning about how things work, seeing how it works enhances and provides an in-depth understanding of information. Use GIFs in your mind map to plan your daily workout routine. GIFs works like magic, serves the animation like a video, yet lightweight in size. Use it in your daily journals, New Year planning, brainstorming processes, and more. After you've finished your mind map, don't forget to share it through XMind Share. As always, happy mind mapping!